When these incredible machines stop, everything stops. It's up to the truck and diesel mechanics to keep these monsters rolling safely and efficiently down the road and on the job site. Truck and diesel mechanics are the people who maintain and repair the trucks and heavy equipment that do the big jobs. Syra is a mechanic with Martin Marietta Materials. It's up to her and her team to keep things rolling along.
How did you become a mechanic?
Since I was 5 years old, my dad has been a truck driver. Later on, my brothers turned truck drivers as well. I've been around trucks all my life, so this is my world.
What's a normal day like?
We are responsible for the trucks to be able to work and function before they start their day. And if anything else that breaks down, we fix them. And every day is different. You learn every day working here.
What is your favorite thing about being a mechanic?
If these trucks don't run, nobody works. I get to be part with my coworkers to be able to fix them so their company can keep moving. I help to keep these trucks safe and productive.
Everything in the shop looks really big and heavy. How do you manage it?
Here, everything is really heavy, but it's more about working smart, not how strong you are. You have to lift things and use your body properly, and then you'll be able to manage things. There's also tools that we have to help you.
How important is safety for a mechanic?
It's really important. You have to be careful where you place your fingers, your legs and stuff. You can slip, you can get hurt. So you have to be aware of your surroundings and how you do and lift things up.
Martin Marietta's guardian angel creed and culture makes safety everyone's #1 priority. If you like working with your hands, don't mind getting dirty, like sticking with a problem until it's solved, like solving puzzles, have good communication skills, this could be the career for you. Grossmont Union High School District pathways like transportation and automotive will help get you started on the road to this career. You can learn more about pathways at guhsd.net. While most companies don't require a college degree to become a mechanic, with equipment becoming more sophisticated, San Diego Miramar College's 2-year diesel technology program is a great place to prepare for this in-demand and lucrative career.
What advice do you have for someone who's thinking about becoming a mechanic?
If you really want to work on trucks and you're really like working with your hands, go for it. Don't think about it twice. We get dirty, but I'm happy and I really enjoy working here.
As a truck and diesel mechanic, Syra is part of a vital team that keeps our world moving safely and efficiently. Keep exploring, and remember, your perfect career could be waiting for you right here in East County.